box. Granny Joe and Panda. Are you sunbathing? You sunbathing? Yeah. I told you, you don't have to help me. It's fine.
I know, but I'm old and I want to work.
Well, thank you. I appreciate it. But yeah, this is what just happened. I went to go open my generator box and I shouldn't have let it slam down because I just probably shouldn't have done that. So the box fell off. Anyways, there's my generator. So we're just going to end up fixing the generator box. I got the generator back on there. And I'm gonna fix this box. So we just put a bolt through here and then we put an L bracket to connect this. It's working really good. Michael Lee just drilled some holes. Ta-ta! We just have one more L bracket to install. This was a rivet and it broke out, so I just put a bolt in.
I guess I will do this too, then do this because it's a little bit away from it.
Okay. Awesome. So I'm just using screw bolts with lock nuts so they don't come apart. Almost done. What's that? Oh, thank you. You don't have no makeup.
Try that. That's cornbread.
Oh, you made it out of cornbread. Thank you.
We don't have any taco shells?
Yeah, that's disgusting.
Oh, guy. Thank you.
You want it, that one?
No, I don't want one of that anyway.
Like that?
I'm all right.
So this was unfortunate that this had to happen, but at least it happened here where I could get some help from my Uncle Lee. And I think did a fabulous job, actually. Thank you, Uncle Lee. Yep, that'll work. When you get used to traveling with other people, it's definitely weird being by yourself, but I'm not totally by myself. I have Granny Joe with me and my aunt and uncle are here, but I'm just so used to the people that I've been with that it's just weird them not here. So I definitely do miss everybody, like a lot. But yes, I'll carry on, and we are actually going to leave tomorrow to catch up to them. So it's not going to be that bad, but yep. My uncle and I have taken out the old AC unit, which is 5,000 BTU, and we are going to replace it with a little bit of a larger one. It's 6,000 BTU, so the hole needs to be bigger. So we're going to cut that out. Let me hold this up. All right. I put this cable through so I can plug it into the generator from the outside also. Alright, I'm gonna see if I can help him with this. We have to cut this corner just a little bit because it is just a little off. There you go. Much better. And just, yeah, trim that extra wood, I guess. That looks pretty good.
Alright,
oh no, you can see into my bathroom.
let's see here now.
Hello.
Hello. Let me get this junk out of here.
Okay.
Because once we get it up here, it's going to be hard to get it out.
It's like a drive-through window. I'll take a double cheeseburger, some french fries, and a large
go.
shake, please. Okay.
Oh, we need that cord back up here first.
Oh, yeah. This is the cord. Is that the, yeah, that's the right end. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll put that over here. Alright, I got it. Okay, now angle it downwards or whatever. Just a little more trimming. Yeah, that's looking good. Except, yeah, you need to tap the front forward so that way it leans outward.
Like that?
Yeah, a little bit more if you could.
We'll have to put that piece on here, I guess, and screw it in and make it go up.
Right. Alright, well, it's installed. All I have to do is get some caulking and caulk it off and then make a new cover for it because the old cover kind of disintegrated, so I need to find something better. This is what it looks like from the inside, all installed. We put the bracket in, so it's good and tight in there. You can see outside right there, that's where I've got to caulk it and shove in the foam insulation. The moment of truth. Alright, there we go. Ah, there we go. I heard something. Hold on. Did I not press it good enough? There we go. The moment of truth. Alright. Huh? Yeah, it works. Now, this is the AC that I used to use when I was here in Texas, and it cooled off the rig wonderfully. But that 5,000 BTU didn't do the trick. So, yep. So glad to have that installed. Thank you, Uncle Lee. Oh, yeah, yeah. Thank you. It's good. Chicken adobo. One of my favorites. Is that mine?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. You're walking like an old man.
You're next.
30 years old and walking like you're 100. What's wrong with your back?
Pulled it wrong somehow.
Oh, guy.
I'm
You look like you're in pain.
It hurts, man. What is this?
A
Hill?
new video game I got. It's, shoot, I can't even remember.
You better not edit that middle finger out.
I will, Mendel. I will.
You will, mental.
So my aunt was nice enough to help me clean. This place was a total wreck. We vacuumed and she also mopped the floors. Looks much better. Still have a few things to clean up on the table, but all in all, it looks good. I cleaned out the bed up here so I have more room if I want to crash up there because I just had way too many pillows and it was kind of cramped up there. Now it's very open and spacey with just a few pillows, and I gotta put this molding back on too. But yep, it's looking good. Well, I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. I am lonely and sad that my friends are gone, but glad that I'll be seeing them soon. Bye for now, and onward bound. Love y'all. Mwah.
Much better. Can't play Tom Petty song without a guitar. You belong among the wildflowers. You belong on a boat out at sea. Sail away and kill off the hours. You belong somewhere. Run away, go find Let your heart be your guide.